Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe wherever you are. So lockdown 4.0 is going on and it's been third time that the lockdown has been extended. So by now some of you have already resumed your work, while there are some who are planning to do so like I, and there are yet many who are still at their homes and feeling tad bit bored about the fact that the lockdown is being extended. So I thought that why not to share with you guys some fun-filled video wherein I shall be talking about some tips and tricks as to how to spend your lockdown or your free time as per your zodiac signs. So this video would be a little different from my previous ones because those were based on Vedic astrology, while this video is based on your zodiac sun signs which go by month, like the month you're born in. So we all have certain kinds of talents, ambitions, characteristics and traits, and we tend to gravitate towards activities and hobbies that basically highlight these. So in this video we shall be seeing how to maximize your astrological trait to find out the hobbies or activities that best suits your sun sign. So let's get started. So guys, we shall be moving ahead with the definite sequence of the zodiacal belts. To start with, we talk about Aries. So Aries are the people who are born from March 20 to April 19. As Aries sign is ruled by Mars, so they have a lot of passion and love. They love challenges and they never give up. They have a lot more to give to today and they don't think about tomorrow as such. So the activities which would best describe them, like self-challenging exercises, for example holding plank for as long as possible. So let's talk about Taurus. Taurus is ruled by Venus, and people who are born from April 20 to May 20 comes under this sign. So since it is ruled by Venus, it's a beautiful sign, calm, peaceful, steady, but stubborn-headed. They have a lot of creativity in them, and the activities which best suits them would be that one only that will evoke creativity in them. So it would be like recreating their old pictures, like bringing their old album, taking out picture from that, and making similar faces, similar facial expressions and similar poses. So that would be something which they would love to do so. Next, we'll talk about Gemini. People who are born from May 21 to June 20 comes under this sign. So Gemini, as you all know, is ruled by Mercury, and Mercury is a sign of intellect, communication, and it is a born wanderer. So Gemini people as such are very curious to learn new things, but their mind is ever wandering. So they are very, very social people, and this is the reason that it becomes very difficult for them to stay at home. So I know many Gemini people would balk at the idea of this, what I'm about to tell you, but yes, Gemini people do need meditation a lot, and I think that would be the activity that would best suit them. Meditation would not only give them clarity of mind but enhances their focus also. Other than that, they can try their hands on to things like blogging or creating digital content, because Mercury is also, as I told you, is about intellect and communication. Next in the list comes the sign number 4, which is Cancer. These are the people who are born from June 21 to July 22nd, and it is ruled by Moon. And as you know, Cancerians are very emotional, sensitive, and most of all they are born nurturers. So since they are very moody, they love spending time with their families, but to an extent. After that, they start becoming irritated. So the activities which would best suit them would be trying their hands on to culinary skills, because as you know, they are born nurturers, so they love spending their time in kitchen and experimenting different cuisines and feeding their family members and loved ones. So that is the activity that would best suit them. Next comes Leo. People born from July 23rd to August 22nd comes under the sign of Leo. since it's ruled by sun, that is the almighty planet, these people love to be appreciated by others and dazzle themselves. These are the people who always want to try new things, love leadership, and they always want that they should pass their legacy on to their children. So these are the people who are very enterprising, and I think the activity which would best suit them is starting a new intensifying novel which they can tell other people about. Next in the list comes sign Virgo, people who are born from August 23rd to September 22nd comes under this sign. This sign, like Gemini, are also ruled by Mercury, so these people have a tendency to think a lot and undergo anxiety levels a lot. So for them, apart from meditation, there are certain things which they like, and as you all know, Virgos are known to be perfectionists. They like very orderly home, they like cleaning, they like settling down things wherever they should belong to. So people who are under this sign, the best activity that would suit them is taking care of their health, their nutrition, and everything is in order. They love doing that, so I think that would be the best thing they can do. Next in the list comes the sign number 7, which is Libra. People who are born from September 23rd to October 22nd comes under this sign. As you know, this sign is ruled by Venus. These people love beauty and joy in everything they do. They are the ones who can give the artistic touch to everything they have, whether it's in their personal lives or whether it's in their social media feeds. So the activities which would best describe them is dancing to their favorite tunes, listening to their evergreen songs, trying their hands on to paintings, any artistic things, or they can join some grooming classes to enhance their mode of self-expression. So next in the list comes the Scorpio, which is the 8th sign in the zodiacal belt, and the people who are born from October 23rd to November 21st comes under this sign. As this sign is ruled by planet Mars, similar like Aries, these are the people who love challenges and they don't give up easily. And things which are basically related to the darker realms of the society, like secrecy, sex, or things which are taboo, they basically are attracted towards these things. So they always love doing something which gives them so much of challenge and burn their energy. So the activities which would best describe them would be playing cards, or trying their hands on to playing the darts, or watching some thriller movie. The 9th sign of the zodiac belt is Sagittarius, people who are born from November 22nd to December 21st comes under this sign. This sign is ruled by Jupiter, and they are pure adventure seekers, and that's why staying at home really infuriates their mind like anything. So people who comes under this sign can either go for watching adventurous movie or playing adventurous games, or introduce themselves to certain kind of books which basically tells you about different cultures and philosophies of people around the globe. So next in the list is the sign number 10, which is Capricorn. People who are born from December 22nd to January 19 comes under this sign. This sign is ruled by Saturn, and these are the people who are always on the go. The one thing which they love is to help others. They get immense sense of satisfaction by helping others and lending their hands to help people who are in need. But in the process of always helping others and always be there in the time of need of other people, they kind of get drained and exhausted, and that's why the activities which would best suit them is trying to meditate or relax themselves, or try yoga, which are basically stress relieving, because they are the people who tend to take a lot of stress. So that is one thing which I really want to suggest these kind of people. Next comes the sign number 11, which is the Aquarius. People who are born from January 20 to Feb 18 comes under this sign, and this sign is also ruled by Saturn along with the Capricorn. These people are very social. They are basically social butterflies and very adaptive to their surroundings. They gel well with any surrounding, whatever it may be, and they love intellectual conversations, making new friends. So this is the time, guys, you start your hands on to things which you always wanted to learn, like learn how to play piano or any other musical instrument, or FaceTime with your friends, get them along and talk to them, spend your time with the family, or anything that basically excites you doing and you always wanted to do. So last but definitely not the least is the sign number 12, which is Pisces. People who are born from Feb 19 to March 20 comes under this sign, and this sign is ruled by Jupiter. This is the most loving, peaceful and calm sign after sign Taurus, or along with it. These are the people who have very spiritual bent of mind, and it's not unusual for them to be spending their time alone in order to try something which is basically giving them peace of mind. These people love anything that is connected to spirituality, so they love reading spiritual books. And one thing which is very common in many Piscean friends of mine, that they love spending time with the old in their families, and they really love that they are talking to them, they are knowing what they're thinking, and they are beautiful souls. Also, they are very chilled out people. They like sleeping, chilling out, drinking a glass of wine, listening to their favorite music, and not bothering anyone around them. So I think they are the most chilled out persons, and they love spending time with friends also. And but one thing that they should do yoga and meditation also, so as to connect to their higher self, because that is something which they always want, and they strive for these things, to get these things. So guys, this was my take on how to spend your free time or lockdown time as per your zodiac signs. I hope you like this video. If so, then you know what you have to do. You just have to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Also hit the bell icon down there so that you don't miss any update from my side whenever I post any new video. Guys, there are a lot more things to come, so stay tuned, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.